Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best tabletop electric grill that you should buy. Let's do started.
Number 1. Non-stick indoor smokeless tabletop electric grill. This grill features 1000 watts heating element. It heats up faster, more evenly and maintains a constant temperature. Whether you want to cook burgers, red meat, sausages, fish, seafood or sandwiches, you can enjoy it in a short time. Perfect for garden, yard, and family barbecue party. 5 modes to adjust the temperature. You can manually adjust it to a proper temperature to meet the needs of different food and make them more delicious, giving you more options than most smokeless grills on the market. Easy to clean, no more worry about the stuck food and cleaning, saving time and effort. As we provide you 100% satisfied service. Number 2.
Now you can enjoy gourmet grilling flavor outdoors with the Cuisinart Outdoor Electric Grill. The perfect outdoor grill for condos, apartments, small patios, and other places where gas and charcoal grills are not permitted. This high-performance grill is compact yet incredibly powerful. The 1500-watt grilling element heats up very fast, so you're ready to start grilling right away. The Cuisinart Outdoor Electric Grill provides ample cooking space for the entire family. The cooking grate is large enough to cook 8 steaks, 8 hamburgers, 6 to 10 chicken breasts, or even over 4 pounds of fish. Enough food to satisfy even the hungriest of crews. And when you're done cooking, the Cuisinart Electric Grill stores away neatly for easy indoor or outdoor storage. Now you can grill like a gourmet chef without having to be in a gourmet kitchen. The Cuisinart Outdoor Electric Grill. Real outdoor grilled flavor from an electric grill.
Number 3. Techwood Indoor Electric Tabletop Smokeless Grill. Portable design and fun party idea. Easy to plug in and use in your kitchen, a picnic area while camping, or even your own backyard and balcony. Simply hook it up to a power source and start grilling up your favorite foods without worrying about smoke. Techwood Indoor Smokeless Grill with an accurate temperature control, allow you getting the cooking temperature correct from 220 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Maintains that constant temperature throughout the entire cooking process. Number 4. Ovente Electric Panini Press Grill. Quick grilling, instantly cooks your favorite food with its powerful 1500 watts heating element and 3 heat settings, low, medium, high. Full grill mode, opens flat to give you double the grilling space. Easy, fast, and versatile for any gathering or party. Cool touch handle, for safe and easy operation. Compact, its slim design doesn't take up much space on your countertop or table. Easy to clean, comes with a grill brush that easily cleans the grill plates and a drip tray to catch the excess fat and grease. Number 5.
Hi, I'm Kara, and this is the Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Grill Griddle. Don't let the size fool you. It's a powerhouse that does it all. Do you feel like grilling up some burgers, steaks, or shrimp? You got it. How about a griddle for making pancakes and eggs? Easy. But what about steak and eggs? No problem. The 3-in-1 comes with 2 reversible nonstick plates. Each plate has a side with ridges for grilling, and the other side is flat and smooth for when you need a griddle. There are 2 separate temperature controls so you can grill meats on one side and cook pancakes and eggs on the other. The grease channel is in the center with a removable tray for easy cleanup. The tray and the 2 grids are dishwasher safe. Now that's good thinking.
Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.